1. Jumping rope will help you get rid of excess weight. When you jump rope every day, your whole body gets a workout at the same time. Furthermore, calories are burned faster and of course, you perspire. This leads to weight loss. If you compare jogging for 30 minutes to jumping rope, the latter actually does burn more calories. Science Daily pointed out that jumping rope can achieve a burn rate of up to 1,300 calories per hour of vigorous activity, and that 10 minutes of doing this easy aerobic exercise can roughly be considered the equivalent of running an 8-minute mile. As you jump rope, tell that pesky extra weight to hit the road and not to come back no more, no more, no more. 2. Jumping rope will give you a healthy heart. When you jump rope every day, your heart pumps blood faster, meaning that it gets a good workout. The muscles of the heart also become stronger. The American College of Sports Medicine pointed out that jumping rope is recommended for aerobic conditioning. To increase your lung and heart health, you should jump rope 3 to 5 times every week for 12 to 20 minutes each time. Do not let your heart break. Take care of it by jumping rope every day. 3. Jumping rope will increase your stamina. As mentioned, when you jump rope, your whole body gets a workout. This helps to increase your stamina and you also get more energy for the whole day. 4. Jumping rope will make you say goodbye to that belly fat. Rope jumping benefits: lose belly fat. When you jump rope, your blood circulation will increase, your calories will be burnt away, and that belly fat will have no choice but to pack its bags and leave you. 5. Jumping rope will get you rid of toxins. When you jump rope, you can expect to perspire. When you sweat, toxins are forced out of your body, meaning that your internal body systems are also cleaned. 6. Jumping rope will strengthen your immune system. When you jump rope every day, your body's immune system becomes stronger, thus warding off infections. 7. Jumping rope will make you feel good, really good. Jumping rope, like any other exercise, has the benefit of releasing endorphins in your body. It is also a natural stress reliever and a natural pain reliever. 8. Jumping rope will make your skin glow. Forget all those expensive and sometimes harmful cosmetics. Do you desire glowing skin? Look no further than your friendly skipping rope. When you jump rope, there is increased blood circulation and toxins are forced out of your body. This is what will make your skin become healthier and attain that beautiful glow. 9. Jumping rope is good for your respiratory system. When you jump rope, your lungs get a good workout, which is good for your overall respiratory system. Furthermore, jumping rope improves your breathing efficiency, meaning that when you do other activities such as swimming or climbing up the stairs, you will not run out of breath as easily as before. 10. Jumping rope will give you those strong and toned muscles you have been coveting. Rope jumping benefits: toned muscle. When you jump rope, your hands, shoulders and leg muscles get a good workout. This means that the muscles in these 3 parts of your body will become stronger and well toned. 11. Jumping rope will not break your bank account. Jumping rope is very cost effective. You will not need a costly gym membership. You will not need to buy expensive equipment. You will not need to build a special workout area. You can actually skip anywhere, at home, at the park, etc. All you need is a simple skipping rope. You do not even need to hire a truck to carry your exercise equipment of choice wherever you go. Simply slip your jump rope into your bag or backpack and you can take it anywhere, to work, school and even on vacation. You can use anything from a lightweight rope from the local toy department to a plastic rope specifically made for workouts. Whatever your budget is, you are sure to find a jump rope that will not bankrupt you. 12. Jumping rope will not require you to have a doctorate. Jumping rope is easy. It is so easy that even 5-year-old children can do it. No special skill is required. You can jump rope even if you have 2 left feet, either literally or figuratively. 13. Jumping rope will make you taller. One of the benefits of skipping rope is for height. We have mentioned that jumping rope increases the pumping of your heart. When you jump rope, the muscles involved begin to contract and stretch. Your entire body becomes erect when the muscles of your back and spine are stretched. When you jump rope, you continuously bend your knees, which causes your calf muscles to expand vertically. Your bone mass also increases as you jump rope, making your bones a bit longer. All the above have the effect of making you a bit taller. I leave you with these two quotes. The first is by Mark Rusin and the second is by Sarah Wayne Callies. Jumping rope isn't just for wannabe boxers. It's a go-anywhere exercise that can help you prevent injury and increase your power, coordination, balance, agility, speed, quickness, cardiovascular fitness, and explosiveness. Need we say more? I've found the best gym. I think the guy who owns it has forgotten more about fitness than most people will ever learn. The first day I went there, I asked him if he had any cardio machines, and he threw me a jump rope. Happy skipping.